Uh, Good morning, dear tutor, dear partners. I'm introduce myself. My name is Karen Montaña. I'm 47 years old. I am a graphic designer and art teacher in secondary and of several subjects in primary. I am a UNAT student in the bachelor program in English. I am in fifth semester. I live with my parents and I have a daughter. She is 21 years old. Currently, I work in a primary school and there I teach science and social class. I like to read Julio Cortázar books. I like music in general, except the reggaeton. I like to go to the movies with my family and especially watch the comic and science fiction movies. I like to draw and create stories, and I am currently learning to play ukulele. Now, I present my daily routines. I wake up every day at 5 a.m. 45 a.m. Um, After that, I take a shower. Then I eat my breakfast at 6 a.m. The next thing I do is to go to the work. I work very close. I only walk 2 blocks, no more. I start working at as a teacher at 7 o'clock a.m. I finish working at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I always take a lunch with my students in the classroom at midday. I arrive to my house soon, and always I sleep 1 or 2 hours. At 5 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon, I often try to go for a walk with my dog called Floyd. Eventually, I drink coffee with my friends at 6 p.m. But normally, I start my virtual studies at 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Oh, at 6 in the afternoon. Um, Almost always I take a break and I share with my parents delicious tea and maybe bread. I resume my studies uh, in until 10 o'clock at night. Then I always quickly go to the kitchen and prepare lunch the next day. While I share with my daughter, we talk about what happened during the day, and we schedule important things for the next day. Um, I almost always, I almost read for 15 minutes before bed. And I say thanks for the day and a great day I make a pray and talk with my God. And finally, I always I go to sleep at midnight. Well, thanks for all, dear tutor, dear classmates, and I wait for your opinions. Thanks.